6th
يا
December
الله يا الله
2024
سلم
in
مدينتنا يا
Libya.
الله. يا الله يا الله الناس غرقت يا الله.
Due to heavy
يا رب
rains in
سلمنا يا
Tahuruna
رب.
city in Libya,
يا الله
all the roads are completely filled
يا
with
الله يا
flooding water.
الله يا الله المدينة يا الله سلم مدينتنا يا الله. يا الله
Not only 6th December, 5th December also recorded heavy rains in Libya. Look at that street Tripoli in Libya were flooded due to heavy rains on 5th December 2024. Terrible scene caused by strong winds on the Libyan coast and the Mediterranean Sea in Libya. On 6th November 2024, Wadi Shatata, south of Tarhuna in Libya, a truck and an ambulance trapped these flash floods. Vehicles are safe, everything is okay, and large size truck is moving under flooding water. This large size truck is also safe, otherwise it may be swept the flooding water. It is so risky to do like this. Thank you for watching this video. Please give your valuable support and click bell icon for notification for new upcoming videos. And if you like this video, please click like button and share this video, and do not forget subscribe this channel. Due to heavy rains in Libya surrounding areas on 5th and 6th December, that's why all these conditions are happened in Libya.